Today, I'm practicing my free will as a woman and taking myself solo shoreline fishing. Just caught this little baby fish after I ate shit, so. My theory is I need to learn how to reel in a pole better on like small fish. So when we get a big fish, I know what I'm doing. Ah! Fuck you. Get that thing away. What is this?
That's a goatfish. We saved him.
I'm gonna put them back.
Okay, moment of truth. Will I be able to set this thing up without Kim here? I don't even remember anything she taught us. Okay, I feel like this is so wrong, but I don't have time to look it up on YouTube, how to set this up. This is so last minute. Like, I was literally working and Hannah's like, we're going fishing. So here we are. I hope it works. We'll see. What is it, guys?
It looks huge because it's by the camera.
Oh! Why won't the hook come out? You got a nose piercing. Into the harbor, and I have to stop and get gas for the jet skis. So I got a can, but I've never filled up a gas can, and I don't know why I'm like terrified. How does it not overflow? What kind of gas do I need? Like, I'm out of my element right now. So come with me to get gas. Good thing there's instructions. Too bad I hate reading instructions. Like, I can see the gas right there.
Perfect.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I feel it right to there.
Oh, more?
No, yeah.
It won't overflow when I put
Is that a
this in?
5-gallon tank?
Yeah.
Yeah, fill it to the limit. Use the green one.
No.
Oh.
You said.
No, yeah, that's the one.
Oh my god! You're so mean.
There. If you catch a fish, like, if it goes, we'll just hang on to the pole.
Want to grab the poles out right here?
Yeah. Let the chaos begin.
Fuck, I'm late.
For our dirty glasses. Extra speaker. Ready to rob a bank.
Yeah. Rob the
Rob the Ono robbers. Hannah's fit. Yeah. Can't forget that.
There you go.
Chaos.
Pure
Chaos.
chaos.
hate being late.
But it's us every single time.
Literally.
Look at her little standing
Okay,
desk.
strap up. Still unorganized.
What's new? Week 3. Who's gonna win?
I hate this part. It shows us where on the lane is.
Is this considered texting and driving?
Gonna get a ticket? Okay. Why is my thing going that way? I'll just hold on to it the whole time. We're gonna use these 2 lures today. These are from Uncle Tony. He's the OG charter boat captain and Peter's dad. So he has let us borrow these. All of the lures he gave me are like orange or red, so I'm guessing those are the ones that Mono's like.
Not on brand, but
yeah. We're gonna test them all out and hopefully somebody down there likes them.
what's the plan for today?
Drive back and forth between the green buoy and
We're trolling in a secret spot. We can't tell you guys. It's top secret. I can't give away our locations in case we catch a monster. And how fast did he tell us to go?
7 or 8.
7 or 8. 7 or 8 fathoms. Just kidding. Miles per hour. Just kidding. I actually don't even think it's miles per hour, right?
This guy.
Whoa. Something's jumping over there.
We just did 1 lap. Our trusted captain told us to just do loops around in this area, so we're just gonna do loops and loops and loops, and hopefully something bites. And I don't even know how to hook this up, but I think I'm gonna try to like hook it up and then whip this pole like on the side. We'll see. I don't know if that's stupid or not, but find it out. Ow! What? I just hooked myself. Ow, 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 ow. You okay? Oh my god, what happened? Who hooked this on my... My dad just FaceTimed us and they got an Ono before us. They're right over there. We're gonna go check it out. We lost!
Alright, we're pissed. We don't take losing
Come
well.
on, we can do it!
So, let's
Okay,
go
so-
get them!
Literally.
Okay, but
We said out to the 300 and then,
like you said 20 miles, that's only 2 for us. I think 7. 20 miles per hour.
I think our motor's bigger. Ours is
trying to go out in the 1,000?
Yeah. We're
Yeah.
trying to go deep.
Yeah, I can tell. That's where it's at too, bro.
You weren't even that deep.
Yeah, we went on the inside. We tried the 180. Yeah, so the 360 wasn't working, so I wanted to happen because it was high tide in the morning. So 360 was probably 500.
Oh.
So we went inside.
You guys won.
We're legit.
He started yelling and I was like, what's happening? What's happening?
I was like, slow down, slow down. And I was like, oh, the fucking reel. He was like, fucking yeah. I told you, remember this is the lure.
Yeah, you told me.
I always
this
catch.
morning.
Even without Kai, I catch with that lure. That's the only lure we
Look at
catch
this
with.
bad boy. I know, and I almost took it.
Yeah, you should have.
I should have.
You should have took it. Go cut it up at home and you guys can do your cook thing.
Okay. Yeah, we can cook it.
Oh, no fit.
It's a big boy.
It's a good picture though.
Magic girl.
Magic girl.
Always. Yeah.
We're gonna take it out next.
Yeah.
We're slightly salty.
Tattoo in 1 hour. Yeah, no fucking time for this shit.
Bye. Love you.
Wow. Do you think it's bad we're just cutting on the table?
Microplastics. Why did she hold the knife like this?
This looks like something fucking went through the chainsaw. Should have played with it.
Hi, welcome to the cooking show.
That was crazy. Since my dad won the ohana challenge, we decided that we're gonna cook family dinner for everybody with the fish.
I'm making ceviche.
And I'm gonna do beer battered fish tacos and Cajun fish tacos.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know that.
You go. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we should do both.
Yeah.
I don't know how to cook. That's why I'm making ceviche. Mejana knows how
I
to
feel
cook.
like you do know how to
No, I don't. I cook really good margaritas, which I'm also making. Tequila soup.
Tequila soup.
We realize our fillet skills are embarrassing, so if you want to help us, leave some tips in the comments.
We were just winging it, trying to figure it out. We also weren't aware that you're not supposed to rinse it off.
Yeah, we learned
After.
that after.
I guess that's common knowledge, but it wasn't very common to us.
Oops. But we learned. We're not gonna do it when we catch our own now.
Yeah, we'll laugh.
Love and learn.
Love, learn.
We're getting it tattooed. Stay tuned for that episode.
Fishing pole finger tattoo? That's
Yeah,
so funny.
we should get matching.
Fishing pole tattoos?
Should we? Is it cheating if you make hot sauce with hot sauce?
It's DIY. Work smarter, not harder. The hot sauce is already made. I just add the liquid. Kate has a great idea to make a Snickers trophy for my dad.
Because he loves Snickers. He eats them on the water.
Yeah.
While they're fishing.
You could live off of Snickers. Your idea. So you explain your vision to me. First of all,
That is not what? Wait, OCD, why did you not use the straight edge?
I'm not done there.
Okay. Do we like this? Yeah, that's so cute. It's kind of fat. I'm the visionary, you're the artist. Yeah. Are you gonna go crazy if we're all not facing the right way? Probably. Why would you do that?
One is upside down.
Why would you do that?
So we let it go. Wow.
That look right?
What's white? What color is it? Oh.
We don't know what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah, just golden brown.
Doing great. Okay.
Like more like that's like
Too done?
that's like almost too
It's just hard to keep it on it.
little, yeah.
You mean more on it?
A little bit here, maybe, but yeah, that's good.
Oh no, we're saving all the hate. Peter, our #1 hater. Never
Hi, Mom. I love you. Hi, babe. Hi.
Hi.
What you making?
Margaritas.
Whoa. Rising. I'm a woman. I dream about it. Yeah, you can go there. What is your ohana? Like, what do they call it? The open thing? What is that thing? You can go.
You hear that? You go to open hole if you want.
Go fishing, you saw. Yeah, she was snorkeling and fishing with the pole.
She left a part out where she got her hook stuck on a rock and she handed me the pole and was like, go get it off the rock. And then I was already in there and then I saw the water collie and so I was trying to get the water collie. Right?
Oh, we thought that was a new technique.
You're so big. Cheers. When did you pick it up?
Same spot, so right outside the phone. With the same lure. Yeah, with the same lure that we caught all the time. The night she was trying to take it from our ski.
Yeah, I did.
No, I'm good, that's fine. And when I got some lure, I catch it all the time in the same spot.
Yeah, the one on that.
21 miles an hour right on that 160.
Oh.
Same spot you trust. We was like, what the GPS thing? I was like, no, we're going in here and we're going to aim for that. And then we got all the berry there. Yeah.
How big was it?
It was big like this.
Not bad, but that.
Big.
Yeah. But we still gotta learn how to cut them. I cut the stomach open. Ugh. But you never look at what it was eating. Oh no, I was all grossed out. Like, you gotta check what they eating. So steep. You gotta show me how to do the poly bag again.
Sure.
So when me and Kai did, we cut all those
Sure.
little
We got a sewing machine working now.
yeah. They'll say they sell them at the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we have a
They even get the cone bags. Yeah, Pops.
Oh yeah.
We got a cone bag. The cone bag is kind of more easy. Yeah. That's not the open right there.
Congrats, you guys, for winning on a fishing tournament.
Yeah.
I'm gonna honor the competition. Is this one? Yeah. Your favorite snack.
Look at that. Look at that. spring doesn't fly off. The screw blew up. Thanks for cooking, Lana. This is so